In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Sign with Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have the Zoho Sign extension installed in your CRM, so you can send documents for eSignature directly from your records and track their status without leaving the platform. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with a CRM admin profile and that your Zoho Sign account is active. Admin rights are required to install extensions in most organizations. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage and look for the Setup gear icon in the top navigation. Click it to open the Settings area. In the Settings, go to Marketplace, then choose All to view the full catalog of available extensions. This ensures you're seeing every published option rather than a filtered subset. In the search bar, type Zoho Sign for Zoho CRM. You're looking for the official Zoho Sign extension that integrates directly with CRM. When the result appears, click it to open the extension's details page. Take a quick moment to review the description, key features, and publisher information so you know you're installing the correct tool. Click Install to start the setup. You'll see checkboxes requesting your acknowledgement of the terms and the permissions the extension needs. Read these carefully. They typically cover access to modules like contacts, deals, and attachments, so the extension can send documents and log activity correctly. Select the checkboxes to agree, then proceed. You may encounter an additional confirmation screen with another set of checkboxes for authorizations or compliance notices. Confirm those as well to move forward. Next, choose Continue to install. You'll be asked who should get access to the extension. For this walkthrough, select Install for admins only. This is a safe way to validate the setup before rolling it out more broadly. You can always adjust access later if you decide to enable it for all users or specific profiles. Finally, click Confirm to finish. The installation will run for a moment, and you should see a success message once it's complete. From here, the extension is active in your CRM. That means you'll be able to initiate Zoho Sign actions from relevant CRM records and keep the signature status synced back to the system for better visibility and faster follow-ups. If your organization has strict compliance requirements, it's a good idea to document the permissions you approve during installation for your internal records. That's it. Your Zoho Sign and Zoho CRM integration is now installed and ready. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.